Your family means everything to you. You work hard to provide for their everyday needs and future dreams. Have you ever thought how their dreams will be fulfilled in your absence? Who would provide for their daily needs? Who would provide for your child's higher education? How will the marriage expenses of your loved ones be provided? So, take the first step towards securing and protecting your family's future. Make sure that their dreams are fulfilled even when you're not around. Give the wonderful gift of life insurance to your family. Act today and secure and protect your family's tomorrow.